And we're live. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Saturday update of the markets for Bitcoin. Let's just dive right into it right here. More boring sideways action. It's all good. It's all good. Yeah, we're just continuing to be stuck here in this channel. Bitcoin at 6,400 right now. Trading between, it looks like around 6,375 and right around 6,450. So yeah, given a nice sideways action here, really consolidating and setting a floor. Hopefully, a lot of hopeful traders that are into Bitcoin think that this is establishing a really nice floor in which we can use to spring higher. So hopefully they're right. Again, looking at the Coinbase 4-hour chart, let's look over at what was that? Oh, Veritasium, the darling of the coins right now. You can see on this 4-hour chart, we've had a real nice pullback, and I've highlighted this as a potential bear flag or bull flag that will spring us higher. There's two things that I think could happen. One is we get a nice ABC retracement here. So ABC retracements go like this. There's a A, then it pops up. It doesn't break the high, but it comes down shortly. A B, and then we get a nice retrace to C. Okay, so a lot of times your tops will look like that. You get a kind of a final push going up. Let's take a look here. So yeah, ABC retracement, or let's take a look at this. If I remove the ABC retracement, the other thing is that our bounce comes up to my initial target of in this circle here of 8,000. So Veritas could still give us a final push higher. Now look at this. The Tekkensen has given us a downtick, signaling that it wanted to break down and go lower, but it's also given us a flat here, which means that we're in an area of consolidation and we could see a reversal. So like over here, the Tekkensen came down, it gave us a flat, it came down again, gave us another flat, and then after this flat, it gave us a reversal going up. So this could actually do the same thing. So Veritas is still looking good. Yeah, on the 4-hour, we're trading below the Tekkensen and Kaijun, and we're well above the Kumo cloud and the 200-day moving average, which is superb. That is awesome. But again, my target for the 8,000 on the day chart coincides with that 200-day moving average. So that's coming down here, right here, and I think the day chart is just reaching. It's trying to get all the way up there, that price action, before it starts its breakdown. So there's two different scenarios here that I think could play out. Either the top's already in with the ABC retracement, or we're just consolidating to run higher to our 8,000 target. All right, Veritasium, moving on. Let's check out Tron. Everybody seems to really like Tron a lot. Tron is giving us a nice, on the day chart, giving us a nice green candle here. Again, with Tron, I was looking for its trading in this channel here, and I said if we could get a bounce here, we have a potential to go top side of this channel. So there's a lot of upward movement here that I see as a potential to go higher with Tron. We just barely kind of broke out or touched that downtrend. I think that if we continue, if the bulls continue giving us green candles, we could run even higher. Let's just kind of get rid of all the noise and look at just this chart with Kumo cloud and and moving average and volume. Price action on this green candle is still below the Tekkensen. In order for us to feel strong, we're going to have price action go above the Tekkensen and then start making its way above the Kaijun. So we can start progressing up. Let's go back into looking at these other indicators. As I zoom in here, kind of condense everything, a good sign for us to go bullish is right here on my momentum indicator. It is giving us a golden cross. RSI gave us a golden cross, and we're down here at the 50 line on God mode, which could be a reversal. So we're not buying in yet until I see God mode cross up right here, and then it could run higher. So yeah, Tron looking good. Really, I've been saying this for a while. I'm possibly looking at a possible cup and handle formation here, which could bring us even higher. But either way, it doesn't matter. I love this chart. Tron's looking really, really good. Let's move into the 4-hour chart and get a look at how we've been progressing here. 4-hour chart doesn't look as good just because we're getting a death cross here. We already got a death cross on momentum and got a death cross on RSI. However, this momentum indicator can sometimes turn around at the 0 line, which is this yellow line right here. You can see back here it turned around at the 0, came down, turned around at the 0, and every time it did that, it went bullish and kept pumping us higher and higher. So that's kind of what I'm looking for here. You can also see with this run up here, if we switch back over to the day chart, how that looked on God mode. Here we go. Let's condense it, bring it over. So this run up here, let's take a look at the day chart on God mode. It went up above the 50 and it started rocketing, and we kind of got a little bit of relief, and then it ran higher. So yeah, all good things right here. I like it with Tron turning around right here and coming up. This could signal that we're at a bottom and could be running higher. So good things for Tron. That's it for today. Just some highlights here looking at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still super, super boring. Sorry guys, I wish I had exciting news to show you, but nothing just yet. Patience. Anyway, hope you guys have a blessed day. Happy Saturday, and we'll talk to you soon. All right, see ya. Bye.